Alright guys, I am doing a review on this Bubbly Cherry Bubbly. This is their sparkling water. This is cherry flavored. I've had various different flavors. I've never tried this one before, so there's the ingredients. Alright, so let's do a quick taste test. So here we go. I've tried their grapefruit, I've tried their lime, I've tried the orange, strawberry. This is one flavor I haven't tried yet, so let's try this. Wow. This has probably got to be my favorite. The cherry aroma is really good. It's like, if I don't know if you guys remember what cherry Coke used to taste like, or cherry Pepsi. It's like that, but without without the sugar of Pepsi, and it even tastes sweet, but it's not sweet. So definitely check it out. It's probably one of my favorite, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.